Hi everybody, today I want to show you how we paint this brick wall. The first step was preparing the wall, and for that we use a degreaser and cleaner. We spray it and let it sit for 20 minutes. Then we had to rinse it very well and let it dry for 24 hours. The next day we cover all the edges with tape and start painting the edges as well with a brush. And for this we use a specific paint for brick, which is breathable and it's very thick. As well, we used a rough surface roller, which is very fluffy, and that helped us to go into the cracks and holes a little bit deeper. Because this was the first coat of paint, the brick absorbed a lot of the paint, and we ended up using the entire can for this first coat. We finished with the first coat of paint and we had to let it dry for 24 hours. The next morning we give the second coat, and this time the brick didn't absorb as much paint, so we ended up just using half of the can. This is how it used to look before, and this is how it looks now. Don't forget to subscribe and share if you want to see more of the renovations that we're doing in this house. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye!